Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can translate any language from any photos. For that you have to go to the Play Store, then click Photo Translator. You have to type Photo Translator. Then you can see there is a camera logo, this one, Photo Translator. So you have to download this and then open it. I already downloaded it, so I don't have to download again. So open it, you have to open. Then there are some advertisements, just click no. Then I just put it a Korean photo, and in that photo I put it a Korean language photos, and I will translate it in English from that photo so you guys can see it clearly. Look at this. It's the Korean language, and look, I just translated it from photo. It's the meaning of the Korean letters. So that's how you can change any kinds of language. You can translate any kind of language from this app. So thank you guys for enjoying our video, and do share, like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thank you guys.